variance of a Bernoulli random variable. The mean of the Bernoulli random variable, big G, with the probability distribution in equation 2.1 is mu sub big G equals P, open bracket, equation 2.4, close bracket. So its variance is var of big G equals sigma squared sub big G equals open 0 minus P close squared times open 1 minus P close plus open 1 minus P close squared times P equals P open 1 minus P close, equation 2.7. Thus, the standard deviation of a Bernoulli random variable is sigma sub G equals square root of P open 1 minus P close. Mean and variance of a linear function of a random variable. This section discusses random variables, say big X and big Y, that are related by a linear function. For example, consider an income tax scheme under which a worker is taxed at a rate of 20% on his or her earnings and then given a tax-free grant of $2,000. Under this tax scheme, after-tax earnings big Y are related to pre-tax earnings big X by the equation y equals 2000 times 0.8 big X, equation 2.8. That is, after tax earnings big Y is 80% of pre-tax earnings big X plus 2000. Suppose an individual's pre-tax earnings next year are a random variable with mean mu sub big X and variance sigma sub big X squared. Because pre-tax earnings are random, so are after-tax earnings. What are the mean and standard deviations of her after-tax earnings under the tax? After taxes, her earnings are 80% of the original pre-tax earnings plus 2,000. Thus, the expected value of her after-tax earnings is expected value, big E of big Y equals mu sub big Y equals 2000 plus 0.8 mu sub big X, equation 2.9. The variance of after-tax earnings is the expected value of open big Y minus mu sub big Y closed squared, because big Y equals 2000 plus 0.8 big X, big Y minus mu sub big Y equals 2000 plus 0.8 big X minus open 2000 minus 0.8 mu sub big X close equals 0.8 open big X minus mu sub big X close. Thus, big E open bracket open big Y minus mu sub big Y close squared close bracket equals big E open curly bracket open bracket 0.8 open big X minus mu sub big X close bracket squared close curly bracket equals 0.64 big E open bracket open big X minus mu sub big X close squared close bracket